Yo, we're outside again. We're down by Birmingham City Centre. I ain't been around here for time. We ain't got nothing doing. We're just taking a little circle. If you're new to the channel, please show some support, man. All you gotta do, it don't cost a thing, unless you wanna pay some money, of course. But all you gotta do is press the like button, press the subscribe button, and if you like the channel and the videos, just share it. You know, like that. So I'm gonna see if I can do a little circle in the Birmingham City Centre. Let's see how much the roads have changed, man. I'm telling you, it's really strange riding around Birmingham nowadays, man. Truthfully. Let's go left. That bus going left, alright. Or straight, what's he doing? Wow, the 14's using double deckers now. Imagine, guys, I used to drive them, man. The 14 never used to come this way still. So we're entering into the clean air zone. All this clean air zone business, man. Sort of flipping cunt. Let me know, guys, how do you feel about the clean air zone in Birmingham? I think it's madness if you ask me. And in Birmingham, what you gotta understand is there's a ring road. I think it's called the A450. Is it the A450? Something like that. And it's a ring that goes all the way around the city centre. And if you juke into that by any means necessary, you're gonna get a fine come through your letterbox if your vehicle don't meet the requirements. It's mad. So many people I know, yeah, that have just been minding their own business. They don't know where the clean air zone is and where it finishes. And why, sir? Here, tickets, bailiffs, all kind of things, man. It's crazy. To me personally, I just think it's a big money making thing. Big money making thing. So before you used to be able to go straight down, but you can't anymore. Turn the roads around here crazy, man. I just hope I don't get a ticket. If I get a ticket, yeah, I want £1 off all of the regular watchers. I'll put a cash up in the joint, man, some paper. Yeah, man. Alright, so I can't go straight ahead. So this is theory time. So I'm gonna go right. And you know what, it's magical, because back in the day, a while back, I remember going straight up there on the bike, and I didn't get no tickets or anything. Oh, right there looks mad. Not really trusting that still. It's crazy. You see, when you drive to town, yeah, this will definitely test your theory knowledge, Roger. So then you definitely have to plan way ahead. This one little looking town here could cost me like flipping 60 quid, man. Right, so yeah, I gotta turn around. So if you go down Dessa, you're going to get a ticket. If you go down Dessa, you're done. So only if you're a bicycle or bus, you can go down and way there. And same over there, man. Changed it up, man. Turkish Barber Club, 10% discount for students. Hair dye and hot wax, eyebrow threading. I wonder how much they're paying for the rent this summer. Magistrates court. Hang on, they've got rid of the magistrates. Magistrates or crown, I can't remember. Right, let's go around here. Constitution Hill. I used to come up here all the while to come to what is this called? Time and Sound. Yeah man, Time and Sound, where we used to get all our you know, the bass boxes and your amplifiers and that for your car and that. Yeah, it used to be the spot. Go on man, go on. And then there was one shop. There was two shops next door to each other. One shop was super cheap. Every time you go there and buy something, you have to keep bringing it back. You get me? And what I started to realise is, them man there, it's not a money back thing them man there's dealing with. You get me? They just want to keep exchanging it for another blasted broken good all the while. People's wicked, man. Wicked. Wicked just that. And then one day, imagine, I must have bought a stereo from there. And I says to the guy, listen, is this returns or is this new? He says, oh, it's brand new, blah, blah. So I'm like, alright, cool. So, took the stereo out of the shop, drew from here, went home, and, well, I was on my way home and I went to the shop before I went to my yard, and I've opened a box up, because it was just literally just pull out the old one and just slap that one in real quick. So I thought, alright, cool. I've opened the box and there was no leads in it at all, just a stereo, like nothing at all. So yo, my head started tapping, man. I'm like, you know something? Yeah, I'm going back to the shop. I want my money back and I don't want no more part of the shop. You get me? It's that shop there, that orange one, Time and Sound. If you know, you know. You get me? So anyway, I've gone back to the shop and he knew that I was coming back to create problems, and I just said, yo, listen, I want my money back. And he just gave me back my money. But I can't remember what he said or how he said it, but he's basically saying, yo, here's your fee. I don't want to see you again, man. You know them ways there. And then there was guys opposite over there, some Sikh brothers. Their shop was actually okay. There was actually, as far as I'm aware, oh, they've gone now. But there was actually selling brand new stuff. Do you get me? My guy there was also cowboy settings, man. You get me? Time and Sound. Anyway, listen, I ain't gonna mess about with riding by town, man. 'Cause I ain't trying to get no tickets and stuff like that. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, I'm gonna say it again, like, share, comment, subscribe and all that beautiful stuff. Hit up the notification. We out.